How to set up FaceTime on your iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way as to how you can set up a FaceTime call and allow others to also join on your call. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Setting up a FaceTime call is very easy. First of all, you get this application by default. However, if you uninstalled it for some reason, make sure to update it, download it from your device's respective app stores. Once you download the FaceTime app, I want you to go over, open it up, log into your account, also make sure that you have access to the internet. Now what you can do is you can tap on the new FaceTime button on the right hand side of the screen over here, and then you can select to whom you want to FaceTime, or else if you want to create your own link or your own call, then just tap on the little link icon that says create link over here. Once you tap on create link, what you have to do is you have to name your FaceTime. So just go ahead and tap on the add name button and name a FaceTime call that you would like, and just tap on the OK button. As you tap on the OK button, you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is you can send this FaceTime link to some of the other iPhone users who can join in for your FaceTime call, or else what you could do is just tap on the copy button in order to copy the link and then share them manually. In order to join your own call, then what you have to do is just tap on your FaceTime name over here in the upcoming section over here. Just tap on it, you'll be able to see all these sorts of options. Now you can flip the camera over if you do really want to, and if you want to start the call, all you have to do is to tap on the join button which you see on the top right corner of the screen. Keep in mind that you can adjust your volume settings, your microphone, you can share your screen, anything as you really want to do. And this is it. This is how you can set up a FaceTime call. It is as simple as that. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.